Say good morning, Reg. Good morning, Reg. Good morning, everybody. It's Black Woman Farmer here. It is a cold April morning. We had some gorgeous weather, but it's freezing again. Just wanted to give you a little view of the chicken run early in the AM. I come out early and make sure everyone is fed and they have adequate water, and that the girls can scratch and pick for bugs. I don't think I'm gonna let them out of the run today to free range. I have so much work to do. I have to make some goat's milk soap. And I do have to get some pancake mix prepared for the farmer's market. But I just wanted to give you just a little view of farm life. Rain or shine, snow or sleet, it never stops. Doesn't matter what the weather is, it never stops. My entire day and my entire schedule revolves around these little guys. Right now they're having a nice hearty breakfast of corn, oatmeal, feed, high protein feed, millet, and later on I will cook them some beans. That's something that a lot of people don't know, is that chickens can actually eat beans and rice. It's very nutritious for them. Everyone loves it, including cinnamon and nutmeg. All right, guys. Just like how these little ones are having their breakfast, I think I'm going to go inside and have breakfast for myself. See you later.
Now you can make delicious sourdough bread right from the comfort of your own home. And it all begins with my dehydrated sourdough starter. Only available at Black Woman Farmer on Etsy.com.